If you want to purchase a handpan and don't know where to start, this video is made just for you. Handpans are made in various scales. However, you should know that if you want to start learning this instrument, it is better to use a handpan in the D minor scale, as this scale is more common, and you can find more tutorials for it online. The minimum number of notes that your instrument should have is 9. Anything above that gives you more space for melody creation and makes your playing more versatile. But 9 notes are sufficient on their own. The instrument I am currently playing is made of stainless steel and has a greater sound sustain compared to nitride instruments. This increased sound sustain provides a more beautiful playing experience. Nitride instruments have slightly less sound sustain and are more commonly used for high-speed performances. Look, friends, there are different instruments available in various price ranges on sites like Amazon, eBay, and others. I recommend that you do not purchase these instruments at all, because the low sound quality and short lifespan of these instruments will make you quickly lose interest and set the instrument aside. I won't mention the name of the brand for advertising purposes, but if you want to identify a good brand, you should look into the tuning history and tuner of that brand. I hope this video helps you make the best choice. If this video has been helpful for you, don't forget to like it. And if you have any comments, please write them in the comment section. Also, please refer to the description section, where I will try to provide more information for you. Good luck.